Choice today with the 2008 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, exterior entry lights, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.